Minecraft. It is everywhere nowadays. It is basically available for almost any mobile device, computer, video game console that you can think of, and luckily, it's available for Ubuntu Linux. Hey guys, it's Ian Jensen from Star Linux Project Debian Division, and today we're going to learn how to set up your Ubuntu installation to play Minecraft. It's a little bit of a process, but we can get through it. So, first, Minecraft requires Java. Minecraft on any desktop requires Java. In my latest installation, the only way that I can see how to get Java is through your terminal. So open up your terminal, and you are greeted with an off black box with your computer / your user at your computer, and then mark ditto $. This is the terminal. This is where you do all your commands. To get Java on this computer, we're going to be doing Java 8. We're going to use 3 commands, and they're all apt-get commands. So this is also a bit of a guide on how to use apt-get. When using the terminal to download or install any packages or applications, you always want to start your command out with sudo. This is your super user. This is basically what allows you to use admin. Any user on Ubuntu is automatically going to be just a regular user and not an admin user. So sudo in the command line allows us to use admin policies. It will still ask for a password, and you'll see that here. So our first command to install Java is going to be apt-get repository space ppa semicolon web up 8 team / Java. This is the first in 3 commands to install Java on this computer. It's going to be asking for a password. It will not show you the password or any dots to indicate you're typing a password, so make sure you're good with typing your password and that you're familiar with your keyboard. I accidentally spelled repository wrong. I needed to add a Y after that. Sorry for that mistake. Did I spell repository wrong? I am just going to do this. I had the command in a text file on my second thing, so let's try here. Alright, and now what it's asking for us to do is to press enter to continue or control C to cancel adding it. We're going to press enter, and now it has added the repository for Java 8. Now we're going to do a sudo apt-get update. This will update our repository list. Now it's going to update all of these. This fmpj, don't worry about this. This is something that I tried to do earlier, and it kind of failed. I had to do a different process for making sure that I could get this certain package running. So you probably will not have that, and now it's saying that it failed to download because it doesn't work properly. That was the second in the 3 commands that we're using, and now it's time to actually install the installer. So sudo apt-get install, this is important, or acle-java 8 installer. And now it's reading our trees, and now it's going to ask us, do we want to continue, and it's a Y or N for yes or no. We're going to type Y and enter. And now it's downloading all the packages. It will bring us to a kind of a fancy little command line based area to to do the installation. So this is the Oracle Binary Code License Agreement. This is basically, in order to install this package, you must accept the license terms, the Oracle Binary Code License Agreement for Java SE Platform Products and Java XS, end quote. Not accepting will cancel the installation. Do you accept the Oracle Binary license terms? You use the arrow keys to move around. We're going to highlight yes and click enter. It will bring us back to here, and it will unpack and process and build the installer. And this will allow us to get Java 8 on our device. This does take a few minutes depending on how big the package is. I'm going to cut it out here, guys, and return to you when this has finished. And we're back, guys. Our install of Java has finished. As you see, when we left, we were right here, and this is probably what took the longest time, was this very long descent. I mean, I had sent to 100 and then just updating a whole bunch of things. So now our next thing is to actually go through and install Minecraft. What we're going to do is we're going to go straight to Mojang's website, Minecraft.net. And if you're watching, yes, this is the newest version of the website. What you want to do is you want to log into your Minecraft account. Probably the best thing to do first. So we're going to log in. So now that we're logged in, we're actually going to go and download. So menu, download. Now, it should automatically show you that you're on Linux. So just click the download link after Minecraft for Linux. It's going to give you the jar. You want to save the file. It'll be right up here. I suggest taking the window, going over here. We don't need this anymore. You can close this out. Right here, downloads, and drag the Minecraft.jar straight onto the desktop. We can minimize this. Downloads Minecraft.jar. Okay. It looks like it's wanting us to go to our downloads. There you go, right there. So we can go right there. Open Minecraft.jar. Now it should show us that we have Java 8 from Oracle Corporation installed, and now it's going through the launcher stuff, Bootstrap, and all that. It's a little slow on the first launch, so it's unpacking everything, making directories. Starting the launcher, and here we go. It's going to ask us to log in. and I keep forgetting that's not my password. There we go. So now we're here at the launcher. It's got the latest thing right here. I am going to take my profile here and just have it do. I usually like to run my profile with 5 gigs of RAM. It's going to want you to download the latest version. If you don't have a Minecraft account, it's going to give you a demo version. But since you have a Minecraft account, you're going to log in and it's going to ask you to download the latest version. I am not going to show you how to do cracked accounts because I don't support cracked accounts. But it's going to go through and start to download everything. So I'll meet you back here when that download is finished. Alright, we're back, guys. We're pretty much towards the end of this installation. We're just going to watch out the rest of it. It's just downloading a few last different assets. This video is coming pretty close to the update of 1.11. The same operation would work for both, and if you do it right now the way that I showed you, 1.11 should not be that hard to update to. You don't need to go through and re-update your Java and all that. And now we're launching into Minecraft. This is the first time boot of the application, so it's going to take a little longer than what normally would happen. And we're in game, so let's try loading up a single player world and then we'll try multiplayer applications. So let's do Ubuntu test. Let's just do a creative world. Cheats on, bunch of stuff. Let's put in the Ubuntu seed. Let's create our new world. Here we go. We're loading in. Come on, I know you can do it. Ooh, super laggy. Ooh. Come on. Come on. And we're in. Hold on, let's change some options here so if we can get some better stuff. So I like writing this up, but max frame rate, unlimited. Smooth lighting, fast. No, graphics, fast. UI scale, particles, minimal. VSync on. No, I do not want to use videos. Off, full screen off, clouds off. And I'm just going to switch my controls around. There's really done. Back to game. Alright. And we're in Minecraft now. It's a little bit laggy because I have both OBS running and the world's still generating. I have auto jump on. I'll turn that off as well. And here we go. We have Minecraft on Ubuntu Linux. Success. Now, in earlier versions, Java was a little bit easier to get than what it was right then. But before the video, I looked at the App Store to see if the Java runtime was right in the App Store like it used to be, and it isn't anymore. So that's why I showed you the command line. It was a kind of a way to show you how to use apt-get and some basic, just one of the basic command line controls. So here we go, we have Minecraft, we can mine, we're in creative, which means I can fly. I forgot about that we're in creative. We've got everything. This is the Frostburn update, so let's just go around and see. Now, depending on your specs, you might want to play with your drivers a bit. I believe you can just go straight to your start menu and look at and search drivers, and you'll see like this video card like graphic show up for an icon, and that's where you go to set your drivers for your different devices. This is an island, and it has no trees, which means that this would be a very bad survival island. It's got basically everything else you could wish for, but trees. So you can't get off this island without just swimming, and that would be tiring. You'd starve to death. Oh, game music is getting a little bit loud. Let me turn that down. Actually, master volume can stay up. It's just the music. There we go. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, like it, consider subscribing to our channel. It would really help. Maybe check out our Facebook and Twitter pages, and check out our website. All of this will be in the description below, and I hope that you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.